Feel that? Like how, like,
Yeah.
it's
What you do is then you want to go the other way with it.
Yeah, I know that, but it's just
But
something.
don't jerk it.
Right, exactly. But then if I go the other way, then it just almost, I feel like it's just following me in there.
So when we get close to the airport, I'll show you the strut here. The strip should be halfway on the strut.
I'm not going to memorize those things like that. Things like that. No.
In case you want to fly one day, it's good to know.
No, I mean, like, I don't think I'm going to I'm going to memorize big spots, airports, lakes, maybe, racetracks and shit like that. I don't know. I don't care for them, so I don't really acknowledge them. What is that, a motel?
Yeah, it's the Pocono Manor.
Pocono Manor?
Which is probably a hotel. I've never been there.
Got a high-tack glue all over my fingers.
So when we go over the airport, look for the sock and see which way the sock is pointing. So the wind should be coming from this way. So when we land, we're going to have to go into the wind a bit. Now Pocono traffic, Cessna 22092 is in a left downwind for runway 23, inbound for landing. Full stop now, Pocono. See, I'm looking at my ground track, and I'm not really, you know, I'm pretty true on the ground track right now. I'm not really being pushed like this.
Right.
If you look down, you can see that my ground track is pretty straight. There's the helicopter. See that in the midway there? A little too close, so I'm going to come out a little bit more.
Departing runway 23, right traffic, now Pocono.
It wasn't going to be in the numbers, the pullback. Okay, pull back. Top heat. First set of slaps. Pocono traffic, Cessna 22092 left, turn left base for runway 23, Mount Pocono.
Mount Pocono traffic, helicopter 21496, right downwind runway 23, Mount Pocono.
Mount Pocono, Cessna 22092 on final, 23, Mount Pocono. Full stop.
Mount Pocono traffic, helicopter 21496, turning right base runway 23, Mount Pocono.
It does look like we're going to crash, but that's the way.
Got wind, though.
That's the way we do it. Pull up a bit.
Right.
Just missed the strip. Oh well.
Mount Pocono traffic, helicopter 21496, final for runway 23, Mount Pocono.
Mount Pocono traffic, Cessna 22092 is clear of 23, Mount Pocono. I know. I know, right? That's so. Okay, let's turn. Okay, and then we can shut off manually like this.
Okay.
Alright.
Not bad, Mr. Colby. You're almost lined up.
Yeah, almost, huh?
I mean, literally, like, a cunt tear off.
Well, this ain't shutting off.
What'd you do with my fucking app? Just tap the screen.
That's record.
What's not shutting off?